Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Mint versus Fedora for gaming. Choosing the right Linux distribution for your gaming setup can significantly impact your experience. We will explore the core philosophies of each operating system and how they cater to different types of gamers. Mint is known for its ease of use and stability, while Fedora offers the very latest software. Understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision for your gaming rig. Linux Mint is often praised for its accessibility, making it a great choice for those new to Linux gaming. Its long-term support releases provide a stable platform, meaning fewer unexpected updates or breakages. Installing graphics drivers, like those from NVIDIA or AMD, is generally a smooth process, and its large community offers ample support. Mint's focus on user-friendliness ensures a comfortable and reliable gaming environment. Fedora appeals to gamers who want the absolute newest software and kernel versions, often leading to better performance with the latest hardware. Its commitment to open source means you get a clean, unencumbered system. While it might require a bit more hands-on configuration for proprietary drivers, Fedora's rapid release cycle ensures you are always on the cutting edge. This can be a significant advantage for maximizing frame rates and utilizing new gaming technologies. Ultimately, the better choice depends on your personal preferences and technical comfort level. If you value a stable, easy-to-manage system with extensive software availability, Linux Mint is an excellent option. However, if you prefer the very latest software, cutting-edge performance, and a pure open-source experience, Fedora might be your ideal gaming platform. Both distributions offer fantastic gaming potential with a bit of setup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.